Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about cosine 2a equals to 2 cosine a squared minus 1. And this one equals to 1 minus 2 sine a squared. So I will put this one to change to this one, similar for this one, for this one. We know that cosine x, that is about cosine number 2 multiplied by x over 2. Similar for this one. So this one you got about 2 cosine x over 2 square minus 1. This one we change by this one. So we need to open parentheses, and you got about negative number 1 plus 2, and we have sine x over 2 square. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. 1 minus 1 we cancel. 2 divided by 2. Now, for this one, we can write into cosine x over 2 over sine of x over 2. And we put the power 2 in here. And now this one, we can put the absolute value. Because we don't know the positive or the negative inside the absolute value. So in this situation, I will put about sine of this function. And we can cancel the absolute value in here. Now, the integration of this one, you got about 2 ln of the absolute value of sine of x over 2. And we put about c. Number 2, that's about coefficient of x, 1 over 2. Number 1 divided by 1 over 2, you got about number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.